Today we're taking a look at the Corning part number CCH-CS24-E4-P00TE. This is a CCH pigtail splice cassette. There's some nice handy instructions that come with it. Now, the prerouted pigtail cassette reduces field labor by streamlining the features and components of the pigtail cassette to allow for efficiencies in the field. They are prepped with a 3-meter pigtail assembly with all pre-existing CCH panel connector options. The pigtail cassettes have 900 at the connector panel for added durability and colored 250 for ease of splicing, as well as having strain relief pre-applied to the assemblies from the manufacturing facilities. There we go, easy to pop open. And as you can tell, that's where you pop your, oh, there we go, included shrink tubes. That's a nice little touch there. And easily removed, you can go ahead and pop them in there. And as you can tell, this 24 strand, 12's numbered 1, another 12 numbered 2. There's a look at the 900 tails. And there's the other end. To order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.